Hi again and welcome back to 30 Days to an Outstanding Customer Experience. And today I want to talk about how technology isn't ruining customer service, it's rescuing it. Now there's a lot of fear out there that things like adding AI chatbots or automation makes service feel a little bit robotic. But here's the truth. When it's used the right way, technology can make service feel more human, not less. Because the best tech doesn't replace people, it supports them. It gives your team more time, better tools and faster insights, and it gives your customers speed, clarity and convenience. So let's break down how you can use technology to enhance your customer experience without losing that personal touch. Firstly, use AI and automation tools to handle the basics. Think about things like frequency asked questions, order updates, appointment scheduling, shipping confirmations. Let AI or self-serve tools take care of the repetitive tasks that don't need a human touch so that your team can focus on the moments that do. So for example, a chatbot that answers the top 5 questions, automated emails confirming receipt or resolution of an issue, smart routing that gets inquiries to the right person faster. Because efficiency plus clarity equals a better customer experience. Secondly, you can use CRM tools to personalise the experience. Because when your team has the right information at their fingertips, things like past purchases, preferences, previous conversations, it means they're able to serve customers faster and better. Because a good CRM will let you pick up the conversation where it left off. It'll help you avoid asking questions or asking customers to repeat themselves. And it helps personalise follow-ups, recommendations and support. Now that's not cold, that's thoughtful. And thirdly, you can use analytics to improve what matters most. Customer service platforms today give you real data. Things like what questions get asked the most, where are people getting stuck, how long are people waiting. And that data helps you proactively improve the experience before customers have to ask. So a quick example, a company I work with recently added a chatbot to handle after hours support. Now it didn't replace the reps. It covered the basics and gathered details so the human team could respond faster and more effectively the next morning. And customer satisfaction scores went up, not down. So, here's your actionable step for today. Look at your customer experience and ask, where are your team or your customers losing time on repetitive tasks? Choose one place where tech could support, not replace, that interaction. Start small, test and build from there. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one piece of tech or automation that's actually improved your customer experience? Share your favourite tool or lesson in the comments. I'd love to learn from your setup. Remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give this a go. Take this idea from theories of practice, from practice to mastery, and trust me, you are going to thank yourself later. Now you go out there and you make this the year that you deliver unforgettable service that keeps your customers coming back time and time again.